Hey, Team Numis Canada. That's what I call my subscribers. Hello, coin collectors, young and old, and anyone else that might be watching. In this video, I want to give a big shout out to JB Coins Inc. for the love that they have been giving this channel by promoting this channel, helping us reach towards the 1,000 subs. And a lot of you are new subscribers, so thank you very much for joining Team Numis Canada with Bruce. Today, we have a mail call from the Royal Canadian Mint, but we also have a little bit of cleanup to do with the dimes, and a reminder, there's 1 week left to enter the draw for this lovely silver coin. What, next Saturday at midnight, it shuts off. You can't enter after that, but you have to watch the video that is at the end of this, that is linked in this video at the end, to be able to enter to win this. You must be a member. You must be a subscriber. Your subscriber must be made public, and you must leave a comment answering the question in the video linked at the end of this video. So we'll be right back just after this, and we'll get into what we got from the Royal Canadian Mint and what we have over here. Be right back. Welcome back. So I'm going to move this out of the way just so it doesn't get damaged when I open my knife, my trusty knife. And here we go. This is our mail call from the Royal Canadian Mint. And it was a back order. And if it is what I think it is, I am not going to be very happy, because the mint did not have these produced because of the silver situation they have. But let's see. And we have the obligatory paperwork. And we go in here and there's one item. So we'll get rid of this box. And here we go. And yes, it is what I thought it was. This is the 2022 Fine Silver Coin Remembrance Day, 99.99 pure silver. And it came a month late. So here we go. And you recall I showed you the other Remembrance Day coin that was not colorized, the less expensive quarter ounce. This one is closer to 1 ounce, but I'll give you the specs in a moment. And of course, it's a $20 coin with Queen Elizabeth. So, and here is the certificate of authenticity. And I will let you read that. You can pause this and read it if you like, in English and French. And this is number 5,259 of 8,500. So, and here is about the coin. And the coin is 999 fine silver. It's 58 millimeters. And 8.59 grams. So it's just a titch short of an ounce. A titch, whatever that measurement is. It's just slightly under an ounce. So I'm not very happy with the mint because they didn't say it was going to be back ordered, and it just didn't come and didn't come and didn't come, and then they finally sent me a notice that it's back ordered and missed Remembrance Day altogether. But in support of our troops, actually I will leave this out so that you can see what's in here. And I will leave the silver maple leaf that you could win here. And I'll put the how cool is that right there, because it is a very cool prize. And following the last video with the dimes, I neglected to show you how one of those look in my book, my dimes book. So I have my first silver dime in the book, and look at how brilliant it is compared to the nickel coins. How cool is that? And let's flip it over and show you the second portrait of the Queen. There it is. My bad. So that's one more coin in the book. That roll gave me one book filler. It would have been nice if it gave me more. And for the final thing that I want to do, I want to show you this coin set that I picked up at the coin shop. It is our legendary nature, and of course it celebrates Canada's legendary outdoor heritage. The Canadian boreal forest, home to countless birds and mammals, fish and plant life, is the largest ecosystem in the world. So vast it covers nearly 60% of Canada's landmass. And with Canada being such a large country geographically, that's a lot of boreal forest. Parks Canada, the world's first national parks system, has been dedicated to protecting our cultural and natural treasures for the past 100 years and for generations to come. The mighty wood bison, our 900-kilogram icon of the West, fought back from the brink of extinction with the help of a few caring souls. The noble peregrine falcon is the only animal on Earth capable of traveling 325 kilometers per hour. It sometimes shares our urban spaces with us. The majestic orca whale travels the oceans, inspiring tales and songs and works of art the world over. Celebrate our legendary nature, keep the coins, and find out more at mint.ca/legendary. I'm not sure if that site is still up there. I haven't checked it, but this is the complete set. You've seen these colorized coins before, and their uncolorized counterparts. But did you know there was also a Loonie and a Toonie? So there's the Toonie, the Loonie, the orca, the peregrine falcon, and the wood bison. And here's the wood bison uncolorized, the peregrine falcon the peregrine falcon uncolorized, and the orca uncolorized. So that is a complete set. And I just thought this was magnificently presented by the Royal Canadian Mint. And of course, this is from, it's 2011. I should know that. But thank you for watching. This has been a rather short video, but we did get this lovely silver coin with the colorized maple leaves and the soldier sitting at the edge of a field of poppies with his cap in hand. And we have this maple leaf that will be drawn on the 10th. So at the 9th on midnight is your last chance to visit that video and follow the instructions in the video to leave a comment. Remember, you must be a subscriber and your subscription must be public. So 1 week left to enter to win this video, this lovely silver coin. Thank you for watching. We hope to see you again soon, and bye for now.
And please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and keep on collecting.